Okay, tell me about what's going on here.
This closet, I decided, this is the boys' closet. Here's my rationale. Their closet doors never stay on because they're the bifold doors, and so in tearing apart the mustard seed cabin, I realized I have a single barn door hung that I want to put somewhere, so I want to put it here, but it's only a single. So I transformed this closet into a single closet, split in half. So you have the side here, which will have the hanging clothes. This is where the barn door will probably stay hung over, but it can roll over to this side when I need to get in there. But this side, I'm building shelves so they can fit cubbies. But what I used, because I wanted it to match, is I used the actual doors. I cut the actual bifold doors into shelves so the stain will match. I'm going to have to finish up a trim here to cover up this piece, but once this is all placed in, it's going to be, it will match. Like I said, I'll cover this trim. But I did just plywood on the walls because the closet already had plywood on the walls, so I didn't feel like I needed to do anything different with that. Even though I was tempted to wallpaper it. If I had a wallpaper store local, I would have wallpapered it.
And then we put the shelves on the wall for the boys to decorate and put their stuff up. They used to have these big wooden shelves that actually were from my childhood, so they had to be 70s, 1970s.
Nice maple shelves. They're going in the cabin.
They're going to go in the cabin. Joe's been working on organizing. And then we just put up Jude's. He'll move the keyboard over, which that's actually the first keyboard I think I ever had, an Alesis for somewhere. And then of course Kenny Rogers, just watching over us all.
So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. We appreciate all the thumbs up and all the comments on our channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. God bless.